Happy morning to everyone. I'm hoping that you and your family are safe and well at home. So, students, last time we started with IR spectroscopy, in which we have studied about the basic fundamentals of IR, and then we finished our lectures up to the vibrational frequency calculation using Hooke's law, in which we calculate the wave number of the stretching vibrations of different type of double bonds and then convert them to the corresponding frequency levels. In this lectures, and this is the second lecture, so in this lectures we are going to learn about the fundamental vibrations mode. So the molecules are having a different fundamental vibration modes and which shows by its degree of freedom. So the atom in a molecule are constrained by molecular bond to move together in a certain specified ways, and this is called degree of freedom. The degree of freedom for a molecule can be electronic, vibrational, translational, rotational. So these are the 4 degrees of freedom for a molecule in a atom. So when we talk about the electronic mode, in electronic motion, the electrons change energy levels or direction of spin. The translational motion is characterized by a shift of an entire molecule to a new position, whereas the rotational motion is described as the rotation of the molecule around its center of axis or center of mass. But the vibrational motion of a molecule is defined as when the atoms of the molecule change their relative position, that is, from the ground state to the higher energy state. When they jump from lower energy state to the higher energy state, they require some energy, and regarding to that, we can calculate the frequency of these fundamental molecular vibrations. So in this chapter, we will follow the degree of freedom of different type of molecules. And in the different type of molecules, we will study about 2 molecules. One is linear molecules, like you have HCl, acetylene molecule, whereas in another nonlinear molecules, we will consider to calculate the degree of freedoms for carbon dioxide, water molecule, ammonia molecule, and such many molecules which are exist in 3D form. So we know that the 3 degree of freedom, the 3n degree of freedom for a vibrational molecule is translational, rotational, vibrational. We are not considering the electronic mode because it took a lot of energy for the electronic mode of vibrations in a molecule. So we will start with the fundamental vibrations in this lectures. Thank you.